All right, let's go. Sunday with Ola. It was just 3, goddammit. Anyways, what's up everyone? Welcome to Sunday with Ola 255. It's Sunday the 14th. Holy shit, dead smack middle of September. How fast is time going, man? It's insane. And September, we're full on fucking releasing guitars all over the place. Check this one out, man. This is the E1.7 RC Priestess Plus. Holy shit, what a fucking beast. It's a Floyd Rose, but I didn't have the Floyd Rose arm on. Sorry, man. Sorry. We're also releasing this E1.6 RN FR Priestess Sustainiac Plus. It has Sustainiac on it. Look at that thing. So freaking cool. Just like you guys. You guys are freaking cool. Thanks for hanging with me, man. Let's head into... My voice is a little hoarse today. I hope that's okay. Let's head into the news. System of a Down announces first European tour in nearly a freaking decade. Queens of the Stone Age and Acid Bath. What? Acid Bath? To join 7-date stadium run in summer 2026. Hell yeah! June 29 next year. Maybe I have a chance to go see System of a Down. I've never seen these guys. Ever. And truth be told, I wasn't really a fan of System of a Down. I had a lot of friends who listened to System of a Down, and then they listened to System of a Down, and I was like, hell yeah, now I can make them listen to real metal. No, but they've been really important for the metal genre to survive, in my opinion. A lot of these bands were keeping it hip and nice. So, hell yeah, Acid Bath, I could see those guys. Stockholm, June 29th. Hopefully I'm not playing a show with The Haunted that day. It's only 7 shows, and one of them, the first one, is in Sweden. Oh my god, Sweden! I'm so proud about my country being able to be on the list of 7 other shows in Europe. Holy shit! Sebastian Bach flips out on woman mid-show for being pushy. Get her... Okay. I'm not going to say it. Sebastian Bach's appearance on the Chevy Metal Show in Las Vegas on September 5th took a sharp detour into chaos. Look at that picture. I'm skipping the text. Let me just see the frickin' thing.
This fucking bitch, get her the fuck out of here! She comes up while I'm talking to my wife saying, hey, Sebastian, give me a hug. I'm not a fucking monkey. Get your fucking ugly ass the fuck out of here.
Whoa.
Get her the fuck out of here.
Dude, that's freaking awkward. I think he was trying to get some support from the audience, but I think everyone just thought it was awkward.
Get her the fuck out of here.
Hell yeah! John Sebastian Bach, everyone. You know, I understand where he's coming from. I bet that he has a little bit worse than me. In my case, there's a lot of guys that want to come up and hug with me. That's okay, you know, but sometimes you just don't want to hug. But to calling someone out like that, Whatever. Seymour Duncan has built a new passive pickup. It has one of the highest outputs of any passive humbucker. Seymour Duncan celebrates imminent release of Spinal Tap sequel with a custom pickup and has an eye-watering DC reading of 111K? What will it sound like? You know what? 111K? Did they go after the, oh, this goes to 11 on the amplifier, thing that they did in the Spinal Tap 1. Oh, yeah, it's just it. Maybe I should just read on in the text, Ola, and just not jump to conclusions. The release of Spinal Tap 2, the end continues as a momentous moment for rock history. Release on Friday 12th. Oh, it's been released now. This past Friday. How was it? I have no idea. Probably bad. In fact, it's one of the highest output of any passive humbucker ever. Can someone please demo this pickup? Is it usable at all, or is it just a gimmick? That's my, serious questions that Ola Englund with the hoarse voice is asking. Because I sound more like a news reporter now when I talk like this with my beautiful new hoarse voice. I don't know why I have a voice like this. I think it's I'm getting a cold or something. John Petrucci and Music Man announced the 2025 John Petrucci Majesty Ball family. Hell yeah. Dude, I'm always excited when the Ball family is releasing new guitars. Let's check it out. Okay. Green is nice. That pickup looks great with the Majesty logo right there. Okay. Quilted Maple is the deal for the year, I guess. Oh wait, what was that? Some burl? Hell yeah. Burl, burl, digga burl, burl, digga burl, burl, Quilted Maple, burl, burl. Hell yeah, Ball family. I love the reserve of the Ball family. I don't know why, but the Ball family reserve sounds like, you're
if you're playing through the first act of Silk Song and wondering, damn, when do I get to upgrade the power of my
no, don't spoil it. No! Where is it?
Upgrade your needle. And there's never a clear indication of when
what is
you're
this?
actually able to of Silk Song.
Where is this? There's audio somewhere, I don't know where. No, don't spoil Silk Song. I'm still playing it, you little... Oh my lord and goodness. And where? Where's the sound? Where's the sound? Pix! Help! Where's the sound coming from? Where's the sound coming from? Yeah, I don't know. Can you please help? Where's the sound coming from? I have no idea. Can you smell where the sound is coming from? Can you smell it? Can you please smell? Can you hear? Where's the audio source? Oh no, this just makes me want to go home and play Silk Song. God damn it. Alright, thanks for the help, Pix. You're lovely, I love you. You're my dog.
A few moments later.
I don't know where the fuck I'm hearing right now. I'm pretty... Oh my goodness.
Unless they change
face. Man. Where is it?
A few minutes later.
It's gone. I had to shut down Safari. They also released more regular Majesties, I guess. So let's check this out. Is that like it's a gold? Oh, I like the golden looking frets right there. Or was that just the lighting? Fan fret? Hell yeah. What I wanted to say was, that family ball reserve, it sounds like there's like a cryo chamber for reserving someone's balls. I don't know why I think that's funny. Maybe it's, Swedish versus English and it's just a translation error. But yes. I have a family ball reserve. It's right there, actually. There. I love the Majesty, but I think I prefer the JP regular style more, to be honest. But hell yeah, very exciting still. Alright, now we come to the section of the SWOLA where I'm getting demonetized because I'm covering new music that you should check out. First up, Igorrr. Alright, so I've been covering Igorrr for the past couple months as they've been releasing singles of their upcoming album, Amen. Well, it's finally out now. It's such a blast listening to Igorrr. And they're coming by Stockholm next year. I hope I'm here to check it out because it's just incredible. Like the music is incredible. So many twists and turns, and it's just a lot of fun. you have a lot of fun listening to Igorrr, you know? Dark Angel has finally released their album as well, and it's fully out. The first single was a banger, it's the first song. But a lot of people are getting mad because, one, they're using AI album cover art right there. You know, which it seems that it's becoming normalized, unfortunately, by a lot of bands. But it seems, if you listen and read the comments, I'm not sure if these are true or not, but not only AI art, if you see closer, they use AI to the lyrics, even song names. It's laziness. Really? How would they know if it's AI-generated song names? Scalar weaponry. 34 years for bullshit. Wow, this album is ass. What happened to Dark Angel? So, you know, take it for what you will. Go listen to the album. It's out now, at least. Also, another band that just dropped their new album is Tallah. You know, the band where Mike Portnoy's son, Max Portnoy, was playing drums. However, I don't know if he went through a surgery or something, because that drummer does not look like Max Portnoy. Or is it Max Portnoy? I don't know. That's a Keith Merrow guitar right there on that lady. Just saying, I noticed that. So this is a little bit more towards nu metal in terms of what genre they're playing. However, they do have a bunch of bangers where they really fucking slap the junk. They slap the junk out of my junk. Tallah, new album, Primal Obsession Detachment, out now. Check it out. And that, my friends, was the news.
Who's up there? You won't escape that way!
Vad sa du? Ja, tack som fan. Vad kul. Nu ska jag vlogga här så jävla mycket. Nej, det är lugnt. All right. Loading in for the close-up boat. Tja! Ja. Currently in Talliksilja terminal in Stockholm. We're heading on to the boat that's right behind me, and all the bands are gathered with the load in and all the trolleys and all that, and we're gonna roll onto the boat very, very soon. It's gonna be amazing. Using the headless guitar in the cabin. I think there's 3 hours until we get until we play. So I'm just sitting here in the cabin, warming up a little bit, and then, you know, I brought my pink guitar with me in hopes that I would use it and kind of startle Marco a little bit. He's not very fond of my pink or purple guitar, so I figured I would bring it out in a song or two and see what he says. I hope he gets mad. But good vibes on this boat. I have a lot of friends here. They're having a great time. Hopefully they'll enjoy when we play as well. And my son is playing Zelda right there, out of camera. How about that? Also, I didn't actually talk about what this cruise is. Basically, 2-day festival on a boat. So we're on Friday right now, and these are the bands playing. We're here, The Haunted right there at midnight. And then tomorrow we have these bands. So basically, we get 2 days on a boat, having fun. And then we have 1 day in Tallinn as well, where we can stretch our legs a little bit. So right now, still practicing, and then very soon we have access to our backstage. So
Det ser så jävla bra att du är crew. Det syns. Han är kräm. Han kräver mycket.
Seven minutes.
är jättestolt över er. Ni klarar att supa! Tack så fan!
Judas ju. Musik.
Vad säger du?
Judas och musik. Vi kan köra den här.
Finns det inga bärs? Jo, det är det. Ja, det var det jag...
Gick det rätt på andra?
Fick vi inga? Det var det?
Ja, det
var
är
det.
på andra delen också.
Ja, för jag försökte kolla på Jens.
Ja, men så var nog mest fel än någonsin.
Helt så?
Fan vad kort det kändes på kameran. Var det 16 nu?
Andra versen.
Nej, jag tror inte det var det. Victor var bara... Jag tror att det är för att vi liksom släpar lite ut. Och så ska det vara samma tempo igen. Ja, okej. Men jag försöker se upp på det.
Ja, det är bra.
Jag ska bara trycka på.
Jag hörde vad.
Det är du som spelar på... Smida när du kommer tillbaka efter sacket. Hur hittar du rätt tempo? Nej, jag har ju inget. Men du hittar ju tillbaka till rätt tempo. Perfekt. Bara till klicket. Jo, det går. Det går. Kan du få. Men alltså du kör ju här.
All right, we're currently in Tallinn, Old Town Tallinn, by the way, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Look at that, there's some bullshit up there we're gonna check out. Gotta love all these old buildings, and then you have the graffiti on the walls. Looks great.
All right, Guitar of the Week. It's been a while since I did one of these Guitar of the Week. You know that I'm on the hunt for an Ibanez J-Custom, or what I would say, the Ibanez J-Custom. Because there's plenty that are available. You can see them all over the Reverb all the time. But then there's, those white whales that, you don't really see anywhere. Let's check Reverb, what's up. So here you go. You can see this again. This has been here for a while, this RG Art one. And this one I also recognize. And then it's sort of like the samey McSame face, man. This 7-string, I love the look, but you can see it everywhere. So, yeah. That's cool right there, That's cool. But, I mean, this is cool, but it's just a black guitar still. It's a black guitar. If I want to get an Ibanez J-Custom, I want it to be like extraordinary cool. And I just, like this, look at that. Fucking 30,000 euros. I think I've seen that one before and I've covered it in a SWOLA even. But other than that, it's just like, meh. It's just not speaking to me right now. However, Nick of Axe Palace, that web store or store that I visited in Amsterdam, he sent me a link to a new RG 8565. So if you, where did you go? The 565 is an early Ibanez guitar during the 90s that I had. That's what they call the guitars that have one hot rail pickup in the neck pickup position right there. And also, probably what inspired me to make, inspired me to have this look right here on the Ace, where you have, you have the single pickup, humbucker. Yeah, it's the coolest look ever. And they released this, which is also insanely cool, obviously, but it's just like it's a little, you know what I dream about at night when I'm trying to go to sleep? And I'm like, all these J-Customs, where's mine? Where's mine? I dream back on the one that I missed in Japan. You know, that ad blocker. Yes, continue to use ad blocker. This MRG 17 that was exclusive to Kurosawa Gaki, the store in Japan, and they released 2 of them. And look, take a look at that. That gives me a boner. Okay, that is nice. I don't know what it is about purple and pink guitars, but you know, I'm just getting a hard on for that. That's what I want. I want something like this. I'm going back to Japan in October. I hope I can get something cool and unique when I'm there. We'll just have to see. So there you go. Let's head on with the show. Oh, there is no heading on with the show. This is the end. So, guys, that was it for Sunday with Ola 255 for you right there. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you want to support what I do, OlaEnglundShop.com. TheHaunted.shop is also a very good source for the Haunted merch, like this one I'm wearing right now. Other than that, I wish you an incredible Sunday, and I'll see you very, very soon. Thank you. Goodbye.